Today we're going to be talking about two new integrated amps from Peachtree, the Nova150 and Nova300. These two integrated amps are identical in features, the only real difference being the amplifier section. As you can tell from the model numbers, the Nova150 is 150 watts per channel, while the Nova300 is rated at 300 watts per channel. Both are reasonably priced, and we've been amazed to find the Nova300 can drive just about any set of speakers we try with it. The new Peachtree integrated amps are designed and made in North America. Everything is built in an ISO 9001 certified facility in Canada, then fully tested. The units are then shipped to Peachtree's offices in Bellevue, Washington, where they install the wood case and test each and every unit again. This makes their relatively low price even more of a bargain and assures you of getting many years of trouble-free listening pleasure. Peachtree built their reputation on having great sounding DACs. The DAC inside the new Nova series is their best effort yet. They are using the ES9018 K2M Saber 32 reference DAC. That's a mouthful to say, but to simplify it, it can decode anything you throw at it. With all of their input flexibility, these amps will fit just about any system. First, there is a dedicated iOS input specifically designed to take your Apple's Lightning cable's USB connector. Peachtree designed this circuit called DynEC to minimize noise that is always generated by portable devices. The DAC in your iOS device is totally bypassed, giving you a great way to play files from your device or stream any music service into the Novas. The supplied metal face remote even gives you transport control. The Novas also include a moving magnet phono input. For those of you who already have a separate moving coil phono stage, with the push of a button, the moving magnet input changes to a line level input so you can plug your phono stage in right there. Pretty slick. For your digital sources, you get two optical and one coax. For computer audio direct, you have a USB input that will bypass the DAC in your computer and use the Nova's internal DAC. The home theater bypass is another great feature. This allows you to integrate most home theater receivers with the Peachtree to get its great 2-channel sound, then use its amp for your front speakers in a theater setup. Finally, if you need connections for a room corrections processor or outboard crossover like with some Vandersteen speakers, there is a loop connection. I think we can safely say the Novas have about the best input-output feature set we have seen. When we take a look on the inside, you can see the Nova300 has a much bigger power supply section for the amplifier, far beefier amplifier boards with large heat sinks, and a heavier duty speaker wire connection from the amps to the speaker terminals. With the new Novas, Peachtree set out to make these some of the quietest integrated amps on the market. With their astounding signal-to-noise ratio of 111 dB, you can turn the amp all the way up with no incoming source, put your ear near the speaker, and you'll barely hear any noise. That is just unheard of. Many digital-based amps we have listened to grated on our ears pretty quickly with a harsh sound that makes you want to turn things down rather than crank them up. The Peachtree Novas are just the opposite. They are warm and musical, with no sense of that sharp digital edge we hear in a lot of digital amps. If you're looking to get into computer audio or start out with a key component that you can use to grow your audio system, you should seriously consider the Peachtree Nova series. With its input and output flexibility, it can grow with you over time as you improve your listening experiences. The only real decision is, do you need the extra power in the Nova300? At Audio Advice, we always feel that more power is better. So if you can afford it, you'll notice a more effortless sound and more bass impact. Both the Peachtree Nova150 and the Nova300 are available on audioadvice.com. Links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website to see our curated selection of audio products, as well as product reviews, buyer's guides, setup guides, and more. Thanks for watching.